Did you know that more than 30 million seniors in the US alone are living with some form of vision loss? For many, it starts with small signs: blurry menus in restaurants, dry eyes at night, trouble reading their favorite books. Most people think it's just normal aging, but the truth is, what you put into your body has a huge impact on how your eyes age, and the secret might already be in your spice rack. For centuries, cultures around the world have used spices not just to flavor food, but as medicine. Today, modern science confirms that many of these common kitchen spices are loaded with antioxidants, anti-inflammatory compounds, and nutrients that directly protect your eyes from age-related decline. So let's explore 7 powerful spices that can help seniors protect and even restore their eyesight naturally. Let's start with turmeric, the golden spice. For over 4,000 years, Ayurveda has called turmeric one of the best natural healers. Its key compound, curcumin, is a powerful anti-inflammatory that reduces oxidative stress, the very thing that damages the retina and lens as we age. In fact, researchers have found that turmeric may help delay cataract formation and protect against diabetic retinopathy. In India, many seniors drink turmeric milk before bed. I once met a retired teacher, age 72, who told me she hasn't needed reading glasses yet. Every night for the past 20 years, she's taken warm milk with a pinch of turmeric and black pepper, and she swears it keeps her eyes bright and clear. Now, saffron. This is one of the most expensive spices in the world, but a little goes a long way. Modern studies from Italy showed that seniors with early macular degeneration who consumed saffron daily noticed measurable improvements in vision. One man in his late 60s said he was able to read the newspaper again without struggling. That's because saffron contains crocin, which improves blood flow to the retina and protects photoreceptor cells. Even adding a few strands of saffron in warm tea or milk can make a difference. It's a small habit with a powerful impact. Third on our list is cinnamon. Most of us think of it as something for desserts or oatmeal, but cinnamon plays a big role in protecting your eyes, especially if you struggle with blood sugar issues. High blood sugar damages the tiny blood vessels in the eyes, leading to diabetic retinopathy. One of the leading causes of blindness in seniors, cinnamon helps regulate blood sugar and insulin, keeping your eyes safe in the long run. I know of an elderly man in Florida, 68 years old, who started adding cinnamon to his morning coffee after his doctor warned him about prediabetes. Within a year, his sugar levels dropped, and he noticed his night vision improving. Next is fennel, often called the cooling spice. For the eyes in Ayurveda, in many countries, seniors chew fennel seeds after meals not just for digestion, but also to refresh the eyes. Fennel is rich in vitamin C and antioxidants that slow down cataract progression. There's even a traditional remedy where fennel is ground with almonds and sugar to make a tonic that strengthens the eyes. A 75-year-old grandmother in Rajasthan told me she has been drinking fennel tea every evening since her 40s, and she still threads a needle without glasses, something most people half her age can't do. Black pepper may look ordinary, but it has a hidden power. It boosts the absorption of other nutrients. Beta-carotene from carrots, lutein from spinach. Your body can't fully use these unless it's absorbed properly, and black pepper's compound piperine makes that possible. Think of it as the key that unlocks nutrition for your eyes. Seniors who sprinkle black pepper on their meals are unknowingly giving their eyes an extra layer of protection. Ginger, another kitchen essential, plays a big role too. It improves circulation throughout the body, including the tiny capillaries that feed your eyes. Good circulation means more oxygen and nutrients reaching the retina, keeping it healthy and strong. Seniors who drink ginger tea often notice less eye strain, especially after reading or watching television. A 70-year-old librarian I met said she makes ginger tea every morning. And despite long hours of reading, her eyes rarely feel tired. And finally, clove. This spice might remind you of winter or holiday baking, but it's a powerful protector against oxidative stress. Cloves are loaded with eugenol, a compound that shields the eyes from damage caused by free radicals. In simple terms, free radicals are like rust for your eyes, and cloves act as the rust-proof coating. Even using clove in small amounts, in tea, curries, or soups, can strengthen your eyes against age-related decline. So let's put this all together. You don't need fancy supplements or expensive eye drops. Just by using these 7 spices, turmeric, saffron, cinnamon, fennel, black pepper, ginger, and clove. You can give your eyes the nourishment they desperately need. Imagine sprinkling cinnamon on your morning oatmeal, drinking fennel tea after dinner, or adding a pinch of saffron to warm milk before bed. These simple habits, repeated daily, can add up to major improvements in your vision. Many seniors make the mistake of thinking vision loss is inevitable, but science and tradition both say otherwise. Yes, our eyes age, but with the right nutrition, you can slow down or even reverse some of the damage. In fact, one study showed that seniors who increased antioxidant-rich foods had up to a 25% lower risk of severe vision loss. That's a number worth paying attention to. Think about it. What's easier? A small sprinkle of spices in your meals, or struggling with thick glasses, dry eyes, and dim vision as you grow older? For thousands of seniors around the world, these spices aren't just flavor, they're medicine. And the sooner you start, the longer you'll keep your independence, your confidence, and your clear eyesight. So next time you step into your kitchen, don't just look at your spice rack as seasoning for food. See it as your natural pharmacy, one that could save your eyesight for years to come.